Hey guys, I thought I'd put together a quick video to let you know some of the information that we've gotten from the principal and from the county regarding grades and finishing up the semester. So within the next 48 hours, your parent will receive an email from me, and the email will say something like this. This is your child's current grade as of March 13th, and I will list your grade. You have two options for your grade for the semester. Option A is to accept the grade that your child has as of March 13th. Option B is to continue to earn new grades and hope to raise your grade to something that you are maybe a little happier with. Now, I will send these out, like I said, within the next 48 hours. It is, however, whatever option that you choose, it is still the expectation that you're going to log in and get your stuff done, because a lot of things, especially biology, is a prerequisite for a lot of other classes, and there's going to be information that you're going to need from this class to apply to your other classes. Okay, so I know if you're watching this and you're in my forensics class, a lot of you are seniors, but maybe this is something that you want as a career path, so you might want to continue on with the course. But whatever your options are after high school, just know the expectation is that you're still going to get on. I'm going to still provide information and things for you guys to learn, and so the expectation is that you still are going to log into Schoology and you're still going to get your work done. Now, your assignments, if you do not complete the assignment, it will just be a blank in the grade book. It will not hurt your grade, but it will not help your grade. And ultimately, what you're wanting to do is you're wanting to help your grade. Okay. Let's see. Let me look at my other notes. So I'm going to continue to provide feedback. You guys will receive no zeros going forward. If there's anything that was not turned in before March 13th, you can receive a 0 for that. So before we left on that last day, if we had an assignment and you didn't turn it in, then you can get a 0 for that. But going forward, all the distance learning stuff that we've been doing since March, can you believe we've been doing this since March 13th? All the distance learning that we've been doing since March, you will be able to get grades for. So things that you did do, and so if you've missed something, you need to go back and do it, because I will start putting grades in after spring break. So your grade is going to pretty much look the same for the next week or so, and then after spring break, I can start putting the grades in from distance learning. Let's see. Your parent will need to respond to the email that I sent out by April 13th, which is the Monday after spring break. If I do not get responses, then I will have to start calling home and getting responses that way. Let's see. Anything else I need? Just looking at my notes. Nope, I think that's it. So if you have any questions, continue to send me questions on Remind. But the information that you have received is accurate information, and so those of you that have sent me Remind messages asking if your grade is what it's going to be, then yes, your grade will not be any lower than it is right now, unless there's something that I put in, because I have brought papers home. We were allowed to go into the school this past week and get information and papers and anything that we needed. So I do have papers to put in. So if there's anything that you do not have and I put a 0 in for it, then that's going to be a 0. If you have the paper with you, you're more than welcome to take a picture of it and send it to me via email or via Remind. If you've missed a test, then you're just going to be exempt from that test. All right. So if you have any other questions, if there's anything I've missed, please let me know, and I will get back to you. You guys know I'm pretty good about getting back to you as soon as I can, okay? So hopefully everything is going well. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Even if you want to just send me a reminder to say, hey, what's up? If you get bored, I always welcome the stuff from you guys. So I miss you. I hope everything is going well, and hopefully I'll see most of you next year. My seniors in forensics, that's going to be a little bit different, but I hope that you continue to have a great rest of the year and that all this craziness is over soon. All right, talk to you guys soon.